my king. We shall slaughter them, my lord! There'll be no escaping us now! Attack! I have brought you here to fight. I can promise you nothing save a hard struggle. Would you have me tell you anything else? But if I say we can win, then we can win. We shall be victorious if all do their part. And all will do that. This battle means a lot to our enemies. That is why half of all their men stand over there today. So, we shall make them rue the day they came to meet good Englishmen in combat. I fear that we will feel the lack of gunpowder on our side today. Our foes have an ample supply of heavily armored men. Now follow the banners and march away. To glory, you English, and a victorious day! Units, await my orders. General's bodyguard. Units, march! Units, march! Units, march! Units, hold your ground! Units, move out, use fire! Men, assemble the men! Forward! March! Spearmen, men! Units, march! Units, march! Units, march! General bodyguard! Move out, spearmen! March! Move on! Men! Men, assemble the men!
The enemy are bringing in reinforcements. Is very much in our favor. If we remain true and steadfast, victory will be ours. Only half the enemy force remains.
General's bodyguard!
Tidings. The enemy general lies dead. We've sent the base cur to hell. Behold how our cowardly foe runs. It's time to press the attack. Only half our force remains. Our men are winning the battle. If we continue like this, we will smash the enemy. The enemy are badly bloodied. They have lost half their men. Our men are winning the battle. If we continue... Behold how our cowardly foe runs. It's time to press the attack. All of Christendom will be... Victory! An order. Yes, sire. Moving to crush the enemy. This... Victory! Nothing can stop us, sire. Victory! These people now